Fairly quiet for a shop vac.
It is quiet. It's definitely sold. It is sold as quiet, right? Now here's a question for you, Norman. That backpack vacuum, it's not a wet vac, so it's not a shop vac. It's for a dry material only.
Right.
Now, my question to you would be, after using it in a setting like this, do you think you would want to have that vacuum on a job site with you?
Yeah.
You know,
Because pulling the regular shop vac around is a pain in the rear. And actually, where it would really help if it works is with the when we do the sanding, the sanding machine. It's trying to pull that vacuum cleaner around while I'm sanding. This would be a lot more.
And has a HEPA filter as well.
Yeah, this would be a lot more convenient.
A lot of people like express concerns. They're like, it's not a wet vac. Like you can't use it for wet. But
I hardly ever use a wet vac.
This is what I was thinking.
I hardly ever use the wet vac, the wet part of the wet vac.
There are plenty of job sites where we're doing fit out or remodel where the job site's not wet.
Yeah, most of it's not.
Kitchen remodels, you know, like where carpentry's going on, sawdust, silica dust. That's the wheelhouse of this vacuum. Compact, quiet, versatile. Like, you know, you could use it 3 different ways. That's how I picture it. I just was not understanding. I wanted to get your take on it. I just wasn't getting everybody's, like, more than one person had the gripe that, oh, it's not a wet vac, and they disregarded it. I didn't quite understand that.
I don't either, because I have several shop vacs, and I think I've used them once, really, as a wet vac, and that's when I had a flood in the basement, and I wouldn't even think about using this for a flood. But other than that, I don't never use the wet vac, a shop vac as a wet vac. I know you can,
right.
But I rarely use it to get up anything wet.
And the other thing is, you know, people are, well, you know, it can't do this and that. My thing is that as a contractor, we have standard vacuums with beater bars for carpet and stuff. Do I say to myself, I'm not buying that vacuum cleaner because it does carpet and it don't do wet stuff too? You know what I mean?
If you're buying this, you probably already got a wet vac, a regular shop vac, but that's not what you're buying this for. You're buying it for what I'm doing now.
Convenience, battery operation, wearing it on your back. Like, this is just, it's if you have to do a lot of this type of chore, this comes in handy.
I would definitely buy it for it, especially with the sander, for sanding the drywall. This is 10 times better than
instead of dragging
a shop vac around. Oh, that's cool. I just realized that. I like this.
Tools that are one size fits all, like they do everything. It's a backpack, it's a wet vac, it's a this vac, it's a HEPA vac. Generally, they don't excel in any one of those areas. They just do this. I feel excels in being compact, quiet, portable, HEPA. You know, I think it excels in those areas.
That's the other thing too, because when and that's why it was the first thing I noticed it was quiet, because when I'm running the sander and the shop vac, I don't know if you ever noticed, but I always have my earplugs in.
Oh, yeah.
Because that noise just gets on your nerves, and this is much better for that.
What's your overall rating? You know what I mean? If you had it, 2 thumbs up, 1 thumbs up.
I'd give it 2 thumbs up.
Give it
I like it.
Give it 2 thumbs up. And if you like getting 2 thumbs up from Norman, then smash the like button. With that, I want to say thanks for being here and watching our little update video on the 3-in-1 backpack vac from Milwaukee. Everybody, see you on the next one. Video's over, but I know you want more. So this is how you're going to get it. First thing you need to do is pretend you're this guy. And you're here at the birthplace of freedom.
Now ring that bell like it's 1776 and let all notifications through. What? You're not subscribed yet? Well, smash this button here. After that, watch this video here, here, and maybe over here. See you later.